Uncle Mark here. Welcome to the channel. We'll get right to it. You're looking at trying to find your fuse for your brake lights on your Impala. We'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to test the two just to make sure you've got the right one, because there could be something else wrong. Maybe it's not just the fuse. Let's get right to it. If you go on the passenger side, the side of the dash here, this just pops open. Whoa! Usually it doesn't go flying off like that. And there's some fuses on this side. There's fuses on the driver's side too, but this on the passenger side is the one you're looking for this exact car. And right here, see this 15 amp? It's a brake switch. So we want to put a 15 amp back in if it is blown. So that's where it is there. This one's a different color. It's been replaced with a different brand. But anyway, I'm just going to use a test light. They're really cheap. I'll try and put a link in the description. And I'm going to put the one side, try and ground it on some kind of a bolt somewhere. And I should be able to test the fuses. Let's make sure it's got a ground. Yep, it works. So I'll get you in a little closer and show you what I'm doing. So on the fuses, I'll show you in the top right hand corner. They've got little pieces of metal just sticking out, little contacts, and you can just tap them with your test light. So on this one, you see the one side will light up, if I can stick it in there, but the other side doesn't, so that means it's burnt for sure. Of course, we can tell that when we yank it out. I'm going to use needle nose pliers. They usually supply somewhere in the fuse box. See this little white thing here? If you squeeze it, it's like little tweezers or something. This one I found on the driver's side. I couldn't find the one. There should be one on the passenger side, but you just squeeze it and it's like little claws. And if you stick it onto the fuse, snap it on there and then just pull it out. Easier said than done. There, should be able to pull it out. I like using the pliers, but this will work. I'll put that back where I found it. And I'll also put this little tweezer thing back where I found it as well. But anyway, back to this one here, this 15 amp. I'm going to pull it out. I know it's blown because we tested it, but if you look, you can see too the metal filament inside. You see how it's busted? There's a piece missing there. So that's a for sure way we know that it's not working. I see a fuse there, and I thought, oh, I wonder if that's an extra one. The reason why I would think that is because there should be extra ones somewhere. If you look at this panel on the driver's side, see these little doors there or whatever, little drawers? They should all have some extra fuses in. But somebody's used them already. Anyway, I'm going to put this one back in here. Oh, I see there's that fuse clip remover right up there. Anyway, I'm going to test this one just to make sure it works. Outside works. And this fuse is a little thinner. Different brand. Come on. One way would be just to press the brake pedal. Okay, that outside works too. So this fuse is good. I just have to snap this cover back on. So it's got little fingers that are going to fit into a couple little rectangle holes. And there's that piece there that has to go inside. So on an angle, if I can get that little lip to fit in there, and then it should just snap on, and we're done. So that was pretty easy to do, right? Give me the thumbs up if you liked the video and if it had helped you. I'll put a link right up here as to more videos on this exact vehicle. Plus, you can subscribe down in the corner if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. You and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.